You're the quiet shade when the day gets too bright, a whispering comfort, a soft candlelight. In the hum of the world, you're the calm that I seek, a gentle embrace in the noise and the heat. And every time I see you, I find my way. It's the little things you do, they steady my sway. With you, love feels like the first warm breeze, like laughter that drifts through autumn trees. It's a place to rest, no need to roam. With you, my heart, I feel at home. You're the light in my window as daylight fades, a steady hand when the ground starts to shake. In a world that moves fast, you're the gentle line that reminds me I'm yours, and that's just fine. And every time I hear you, my worries fade. In your voice I find peace at the end of the day. With you, love feels like the morning rain, soft as a song yet fierce as a flame. It's a shelter built, a place to grow. With you, my heart, I found my home. In the calm of your touch, I find all I need. In the warmth of your laugh, I'm finally free. Through every season and every storm, you're the quiet warmth where I belong. With you, love feels like the earth in spring, a promise that grows in everything. It's a path we make as we go up.